Good morning. I thought I'll do a city vlog with the bike. I'm on my way to the office, and let's see if we can capture something fun to watch. Look at this, people just standing in the middle of the road. Gosh, I hate Bangalore traffic. You know, Bangalore wouldn't have any traffic if we just followed a systematic way to drive and lane discipline. Like look at this guy. It's cutting in. Oh wow, look at this garbage in the middle of the road. Crazy. I mean, why is there garbage in the middle of the road? It is so disappointing when you pay so much tax money and then that happened. So I have been uploading for a couple of days now. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Thanks to all my 500 subscribers that I got in a month. That's crazy numbers for me. And I love it because I love the community of bikers, and I love how open and receptive we are. So any feedback so far, please comment it below and I can fix them. I'm trying my best to kind of, fix whatever I can from my end. I'm trying to give you a better video every time I upload. And here we go. People can't make up their mind. Wrong way. Nice car. I love Audis in red. Maybe one day, if my wife works hard enough, she can buy me one. Look at this guy, no helmet, just lane spitting. Have you ever off-roaded with the Z900? Here is your chance to witness. The funniest thing is when you're trying to ride a very manly bike, but you have a horn that honks like it's kind of funny to me. People riding wrong way all the time. Cow running in the middle of the road. Like, are you really going to office, or this is like a side mission that you have to conquer to do the main quest? So weird. Like, this is what going to office looks like for a normal person every day in India. I mean, we live in a great country, but it could be better. Another thing, if they move the timings of the tractors and the trucks around in the city during peak hours, we will have much better traffic. That's the new Nagawara junction for Metro Pink Line coming up. Looks massive because it's gonna have commercial properties in it as well, which is a great idea. Because why not cramp more people in an already cramped space? That's how we think and we rule. People riding, off-roading with the scooty, off-roading with the Z900. Oh, look at this cool kid, smoking with one hand, riding like it. He's gonna go straight probably. Yeah, he's gonna go straight from the left lane. What a douchebag. infamous outer ring road. It's gotten a lot better actually, the traffic, because the metro work has, the B pillars are up, which means they don't need to cordon off so much area anymore. It's getting better. At pockets there are still traffic problems, but yeah. Look at this idiot talking on the phone while driving. Look at it. But this is something beautiful I witness every day. The moment we are out of the tunnel, you'll see an amazing light that hits your face and makes it so much more difficult to ride or drive. There you go. Little throttle opportunity. This guy's gonna hit the guy in the wheelchair, man. Calm your bro. This showing chudia trying to push. Can just record him. रिकॉर्ड हो गया हाँ
नहीं तो
हाँ रिकॉर्ड आಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಂ ಹೋಗೋ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಗೋ KA04, look at him riding like a squid. Loser. Like chasing them. Yeah, go for it. I like giving people moral lessons, because then you catch them off guard. Like, don't stop them and shout at them and tell you are wrong. Just tell them things like, nice, you are being recorded going like this, or like, what are you going to do with your life if you ride like this types. I guess that's about it, guys. This is my office right here, so maybe another day more interesting content, but today that's about it. So thank you for watching.